Hello everyone, welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is coconut rice. Very tasty and quick lunchbox recipe and prasadam recipe. So let's start the preparation. Heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add 2 dry red chillies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chana dal or split Bengal gram. Now add 2 to 3 green chilli slits and saute it in medium flame. Once the chana dal changes its color to golden, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and salt as needed. Now add fresh shredded coconut and fry it for 2 minutes. For 1 cup of rice, I am using 1 cup of shredded coconut. Fry it in low flame for 2 minutes and turn off the flame. Now add the coconut seasoning into hot rice and mix it well. You can also use Basmati rice. The tasty coconut rice is almost done. Goes well with veg kurma. The preparation is very simple. You can make it in just 15 minutes. So friends, hope you liked my video. Try out this recipe. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Until then, happy cooking.